Get 2 pounds of pork and cut it into cubes. Put the pork in a bowl along with 1 clove of garlic and 1 cup of soy sauce.
Did you know the word adobo comes from the Spanish word adobar, meaning to marinate? The name comes from when a Spanish man, Fray Pedro de San Buenavera, saw the Filipinos enacting their process. This was around the late 16th to early 17th century. Although the dishes have the same name, they have many differences. The Spanish version uses a lot of peppers and spices to marinate, while Filipinos use garlic and soy sauce.
Cover and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. Add half a cup of cooking oil and let it cook until it browns. After cooking, cut half an onion and add to the fond.
That's pretty cool.
Add 1 cup of water and the rest of the marinade. Next, add dry bay leaf and peppercorn. After adding everything in, let it sit on low heat for about 40 minutes.